This is an electric hot plate that I bought from Jumia. This is a generic model and I bought it for 1,152 Kenya shillings, and that is inclusive of delivery. Now we're going to see what is inside here and a general review of this product. Now the only thing inside the box is the hot plate, the user manual, and these rubber legs. You just push them inside. Like that. Now for first impressions, this is the electric coil. You will just place your cooking utensils directly on top here. At the front, we have this knob for the temperature, and I believe it has a thermostat inside. Listen to that click. We have one working light, a plug, and immediately I don't like this. This is very short. I believe this is half a meter of cable. And the other thing that I don't like is this plug, because this is not a fusible plug. Now, I had seen a review on the same page where somebody said that they had to replace the original cable since it was too short. They gave this product 4 stars, and I don't think I'm going to give it 4 stars. At the back, we have one screw with an earth connection written on it. Does that mean that this earth does not work? So let me get my meter and check. So any exposed metal parts will directly be connected to this earth pin. And indeed, the earth connection works. So that earth cable actually works. Another thing that I want to mention is that I actually wanted to buy the hot plate with the covered coil, because I believe this is much easier to clean than this is. So I don't want to plug this in, so I think I'm just going to change this cable. This is 1 meter of good quality cable that I got from a microwave oven. That microwave oven was not working, so I got this cable from that. So I'm just going to open this hot plate and replace it with that cable. And inside here, you can see that's the thermostat mechanism. And the hot plate is inside here. So that's done. And there is only one nut that holds this thing all together. And this bolt is going all the way through to over here. So that's the only thing holding this thing together. To turn it on, just turn the knob clockwise and the light is on. So just wait for it to warm up. Set it to maximum. So what happens when I reduce the temperature? You can see it's becoming cooler and contracting. Increase the temperature, and it indeed takes time to heat up. So that's it. I'll see if this makes economic sense than using the gas cooker over here. So thanks for watching and goodbye.